everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is an eye look video and we are going to be doing another look with the Naked Honey palette. This will be look number 2. And I am going to be doing a bronzy one using these colors down here and maybe some of this up here too. But the bronzy look is what we're going for this time. So let's get started. Let's start with the hair clip and then our Essence eye base. Okay. I'm just going to put this on and take my sponge and blend it in. Now we're going to go in and brush this lightest color all over my lid. Actually, I think we're going to go for the second color. Last time I used the lightest color, it's a little bit of a shimmer. So we're going to go for that number 2 color right there. It is Sweet. That's what it's called, Sweet. And just wash this over that primer. To set it. And now we are going to go in with this, I think this color right here, oh, it has a name, Drip. And I'm going to put that in the crease. For our transition. And I'm going to pull it in on my lid about 1/3 of the way over. Now I'm going to go in with, actually I think I'm just going to go back in with that same color and put it on a little heavier with a denser brush into the crease. But lower than I was with that last transition. And I'm going to pull that in 1/3 of the way across my lid. And now I'm going to go back with that other brush and just blend again. Okay, now I'm going to go into this bronze color right here. It's called HBIC. And I know what that means now, you guys told me. Head be in charge. And I'm going to put this all over my lid. Well, all over the inner 1/3 of my lid. Or 2/3. You know, this stuff swatched beautifully on my finger. Well, it's doing fine. Seemed a little thin when I first started, but I think it's good. Probably should have wet it though. It would have been more intense. But it's good. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Now I am going to go back in with this darkest color. Sting. It is Sting. And there's practically no fallout from that bronze, which is amazing. And I'm going to put it in the outer corner. I think I'm just going to use, oh, maybe I'll use the brush that came with it. This brush. And I'm keeping it really low, down towards the lash line. And then I'm going to take this fluffy part of it and just kind of blend it together a little. Just a little. And now I think I'm going to take that same brown, because it was really nice, and I'm going to put it on the lower lash line. And I'm using just a flat brush. And I'm going to put it right up against the lashes. And connect them. And then I'm going to take this little pencil brush right here, and I'm going to go back into that color we used for the transition color, the drip right here, and I'm just going to use it to smudge out that bottom line and smoke it a little bit. I can't believe how incredibly dry my skin has become in the last 2 weeks. It's so bad. Okay, now I'm going to go in and I'm going to push line with my brown tattoo liner. If I knew where it was. Oh, here it is. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Liner in dark brown, I think is what it was. I don't know. It'll be listed below. Everything. If I forget to tell you what I'm doing, it'll be listed below. And to push line, you just put your little finger in the center of your eye and you push. And it makes, as you can see, the eyelash kind of turns up around your finger. You don't push very hard. And then you draw between the lashes. And then you take your flat brush, a different flat brush, this one I always use for brown, so, and you smudge that, you just go back and forth to spread it out and make sure that no skin is showing. Doesn't take much. Now I'm going to take my brown roller liner from Benefit and make a wing. And now I'm going to go in and do my lashes, and I'm going to be using, I'm going to curl them, then I'm going to put on the So Fierce, then I'm going to curl them again, put on the Lash Princess False Lash Effect, curl them again, and put this on again. And that'll be the end. So I will go off camera to do that because it takes time, and you guys have seen it before. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. This is our final look for today with our second look for the Naked Honey palette. I used these three colors right here and this second one right there. And that is everything I used. I think it turned out really pretty. I really love the shimmers in here. And the other colors are good too. They are. I love it. It looks really nice. It doesn't really match my shirt, but I wasn't thinking when I put this shirt on. So, anyway, I'll have to change my shirt, right? Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let's give it a thumbs up with this one. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!